What's up, Marcus Artwine here. So today I got an announcement. I am working on the show, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre web show, or whatever you want to call it, homemade show. I'm doing it based on the 1974 movie, same name. And yes, I am casting myself as Bubba Sawyer / Leatherface, a skin mask wearing, kill, chainsaw carrying, and I'm casting Andy as Nubbin Sawyer, based on the actor Edwin Neal. And also, I am casting William Anderson from Violet First as Drayton Sawyer, the brother of Leatherface. Yes, based on Jim Sedo. And based on Bill Mosby, Drayton Sawyer is the cook. So, my character will be based on Gunnar Hansen. No one can replace Gunnar Hansen. I will try my best playing Leatherface. Yup, coming summer or fall 2026, probably early fall. Yeah, let's work on this show. So, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be right back. I gotta grab my mask. I'm playing the character. Alright. Alright. Yup. I look good as Leatherface, so yeah. I'll see you YouTubers in another video. If you like this video and my announcement, okay, peace out.